Do you know the distance between the sun and the earth is about 150 million kilometer. A flight flying at the speed of 800 kilometer per hour from the earth would take 21 years to reach the sun. Okay, the flight flying at the speed of 800 kilometer per hour. In 1 hour it takes 800 kilometer from the earth to reach sun. It would take 21 years. So the distance between the sun and the earth is about 150 million kilometer. Next one, Mars, the red planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. It is the fourth planet. The first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. Mercury is the smallest one. The second smallest one is the Mars planet. It is named after the Roman god of war. It appears red in color due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface. So it is often described as the red planet. It has a, which one is called as red planet? Mars is a planet, it is called as red planet. Which one is called morning star and evening star? Venus, the hottest planet. Earth, the living planet. And Mars is the red planet. It is often described as a red planet. It has a thin atmosphere. It has a thin atmosphere. It also has polar ice caps like the Earth. So it has a thin atmosphere. It also has polar ice caps on the Earth. On 24th September 2014, Mangalyaan Mars Orbiter Mission MOM launched by the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. ISRO means the full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. Reached the orbit of Mars to analyze its atmosphere and topology. To analyze its atmosphere, the Mars atmosphere and its topology. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Okay, ISRO has now become the fourth space agency to reach Mars after the Soviet space program NASA, NASA, and the European Space Agency. Okay dears, let's see the continuation of Mars, the red planet. Okay, Mars has two natural satellites, namely Phobos and Deimos. Phobos and Deimos. Many orbiters and rovers have been launched to explore this planet. So, the Mars has two natural planets on its own. What are the names of the natural satellites? Means Phobos and Deimos. It has two natural satellites. What are they? Phobos and Deimos. Okay. Next one, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. What we see, the smallest planet is, first one is Mercury is the smallest planet. The second smallest planet is Mars. Mars is the second smallest planet. Here largest planet. Which one is the largest planet? Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet and also fifth planet. First one Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. So Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and it is the largest planet in the whole solar system. Solar system consists of 8 planets. So Jupiter is the largest one. It is named after the king of the Roman god. It is the third brightest object in the night sky. After Moon and Venus, Jupiter is the brightest object. It is the brightest object in the night sky. It is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. This one is the fastest spinning planet. It is called a gas giant planet. Its atmosphere is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium like the Sun. Its atmosphere is made up of hydrogen and helium like the Sun. It has the largest number of natural satellites. It has the largest number of natural satellites. Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto are the few large satellites of Jupiter. What are the satellites in Jupiter? Io, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto are the large satellites in the largest planet Jupiter. Next one, Saturn. Saturn is called as ringed planet. Saturn is called as ringed planet. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet. First largest planet is Jupiter. This one is the largest planet in solar system and the second largest planet is Saturn. Saturn is otherwise called as the ringed planet. It is the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. It is named after the Roman god of agriculture. Roman god of agriculture. Saturn has many rings around it. It has many rings, that's why it's called ringed planet. These rings are, here is a ring, okay. These rings are huge and are mostly made up of ice, rocks and dust particles. Made up of ice, rocks and dust particles. Saturn has 62 natural satellites around it. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is the only satellite in the solar system that has clouds and a dense atmosphere composed of nitrogen and methane. The specific gravity of Saturn is less than that of water. Hearts. If you could put Saturn in the large enough ocean, it would float. It would float. Float means midakkirathu. Chariya? Float means midakkirathu. Guess why? So you have to find out this question. Answer for this question. Okay, dears? Uranus, the somersaulting planet. Uranus is the somersaulting planet. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It was the first to be discovered with the telescope by the astronomer William Herschel in 1781. This is the first planet to be discovered with the telescope by the astronomer William Herschel in 1781. It appears green. It appears green due to the presence of methane. This one is an important 2-mark question. Uranus is appear in green color Because it has a presence of methane in it. Methane gas in it, so it appears green. Which planet is green in color? Uranus planet is green in color because it contains methane gas. Okay dears, it is named after the Greek god of the sky. It rotates on its axis from east to west like Venus. Its axis is tilted so much that it appears to orbit the sun on its sides like the rolling ball. So here and here to here is a, this one is a 2-mark question. H, first question. Let's see what is the question. Why is Uranus called the somersaulting planet? Its axis is tilted so much that it appears to orbit the sun on its sides like the rolling ball. So it is called somersaulting planet. Okay, Uranus has 27 natural satellites, of which Titania is the largest. It has 27 natural satellites, from which Titania is the largest one. Uranus has 27. Titania is the largest one among the 27 natural satellites. The next one, Neptune. Next one, Neptune. It is the coldest planet. Neptune is the coldest planet. Okay. This one is the last planet. Neptune is the coldest planet. Okay. Neptune is the 8th and the farthest planet from the sun. It is the farthest planet. ரொம்ப தூரமான planet from the sun. There are strong winds in this planet. It is named after the Roman god of sea. Neptune has 14 natural satellites. Uranus has 27 natural satellites. Neptune has 14 natural satellites. The largest being Triton. The largest is Triton. In that one, Titania is the largest one. Here, Triton is the largest planet among the 14 natural satellites. Because of its distance from the sun, Neptune is one of the coldest planets in the solar system. Neptune is the coldest planet. So, Neptune is otherwise called as coldest planet. Uranus is a somersaulting planet. Saturn is a ringed planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. Mars is the red planet. Mars is the red planet. Earth is the living. Earth is the living planet. Venus is the hottest planet. Mercury is the nearest planet. Neptune is the farthest planet and it is called as the coldest planet in the solar system. The striking blue and white features of Neptune help to distinguish it from Uranus. Here is a glance of a planet. Okay. Here is a picture which has a glance on it. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets and it takes a distance of here. How many duration it takes. Okay, like this they have marked here. This symbol is a rotation period. Here is the number of moons. Here is the mean distance of from the sun. This one is the revolution period. Okay dears. Let's see the dwarf planets. The dwarf planets. The dwarf planets are small celestial bodies found beyond the planet Neptune. They are extremely cold and dark. They are almost spherical in shape. Spherical means this, like this, spherical in shape, but unlike planets, they can share, which one? Pluto can share its orbit with other dwarf planets. This one is a 2-mark question. Pluto share its orbit with other dwarf planets. Okay, Pluto share its orbit with other dwarf planets. The 5 dwarf planets of the solar system are Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake and Haumea. What are the 5 dwarf planets of the solar system? Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake and Haumea. Okay. The next one, the moon, Earth's satellite. Which one is Earth's satellite? The moon. Satellites are celestial objects which revolve around the planet. The moon is the Earth's only satellite. Which one is the Earth's only satellite? The moon. The moon is the Earth's only satellite. It revolves around the Earth once in every 27 days and once in every 27 days and 8 hours. It takes about the same time for it to complete one rotation around its axis. It has no atmosphere in it. Which one? The moon has no atmosphere in it. The surface of the moon is characterized by craters created by the impact of meteors. This one is the second 2-mark question. The surface of the moon is characterized by craters created by the impact of meteors. The surface of the moon is characterized by craters created by the impact of meteoroids. The distance between the moon and the earth is about 3,84,400 kilometer. 3,84,400 kilometer. The size of the moon is 1/4 of the earth. The size of the moon is 1/4 of the earth. The moon is the only celestial body where humans have landed. The humans landed on a first and only celestial body is the moon. The moon is the only celestial body. Okay. Next one. Asteroids. Asteroids are the small solid objects that move around the sun. It is a small solid object. Which one is? Asteroids are the small solid objects that move around the sun. They are found as a belt between Mars and Jupiter. They are too small to be called as planet. Okay. It is not as big as the planet because it is too small. Asteroids are too small, so it is not to be called as planets. They are also called as planetoids or minor planets. They are also called as planetoids or minor planets. Fact is, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, Indian Space Research Organization launched India's first ever moon mission, which is Chandrayaan-1 in 2008. India's first ever moon mission, which is called as Chandrayaan-1 in 2008. Okay dears, today your homework is here. G la second question. You have to write the question and the answer. Here is the answer. Pluto share its orbit with other dwarf planets. Okay. Next question, HL 2. Okay. The answer is the surface of the moon is characterized by craters created by the impact of meteors. Created by meteors. These two questions, these two are the very small question. These two questions is your today's assignment. Okay, students, those who have not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately. Okay, children, thank you. Let's see in the next session.